Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a wide paintbrush. Let's start off by drawing the handle with a curve that goes in and back out, makes a sharp turn, and curves back out like so. From the start, draw a long line going down and to the right, followed by a short line that goes down to the other end. And to finish off the handle, start from the upper right corner and copy the shape of the bottom edge of the handle like this. Next, start at the top corner and draw a small bump, followed by a straight line and then another small bump. Draw a parallel line going down and to the right. Straight down again, and then another bump, straight line, and bump on the other side. Draw two thinner lines that start straight and curve downward at the corner to finish off the metal part that holds the brush fibers. For the brush, start at the top corner and draw a slightly curved line, followed by a jagged line that goes slightly down and to the right. Connect the end to this corner with another slightly curved line, and one last slightly curved line from the bottom right corner that turns into a jagged line going straight up to this end here. For some more added detail, draw a wavy line across the brush part for the paint, and some short thin lines at the base of the brush for the fibers. A wide oval on the handle for the hole, and lastly, some very thin lines on the handle for a wood texture. And now you've got a wide paintbrush.